I'll introduce you to a free screen recording solution called LightShot. With this easy-to-use tool, you can capture screenshots. As the first step, you need to download and install LightShot on your computer. Go to Google and search for LightShot, and click on the web page. Click on one of the buttons according to your PC system and follow the installation wizard. The installation process is quite simple and quick. Now, LightShot is installed on your computer and you can start to use it. On the keyboard, press the print screen button. Select the area you want to capture. You can add text, arrows, and many other elements. Let's add some arrows and a border to highlight an area. When your editing is finished, it's time to save the file. You can upload it to the cloud or share it on social media. But if you simply want to save the file, click on the Save icon, select your location, and that's it. LightShot provides a straightforward interface for you to edit the screenshots. After editing, you can easily share or save your files. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative and educational videos.